Hello, I'm Steven,
And I'm Steve.
and this is Cherry Knoll Whiskey Reviews. Today, we're going to be looking at Knob Creek.
Yes.
So this is one of their single barrel selects, which is essentially a store pick. So Knob Creek has, their normal base lineup, which is their 9-year, their 12-year, their 9-year barrel proof, their select, and a couple ryes, and then a smoked maple, I think, is in that.
Smoked maple?
Core
Flavored?
line. I'm not sure if it's flavored or not.
Okay.
Today, we're going to be doing a store pick version.
Excellent.
So it is 120 proof, and hopefully it ends up tasting good. Obviously, I've gotten into this one, and
So you know if it tastes good.
I do know.
I've never had Knob Creek before, so I'm excited to jump in.
Another good whiskey.
I broke
Yes. So, like makers, they've got a dipped wax with a little pull tab to kind of get things uncorked.
Yes. I like that. I like the wax. I don't know what it is, but something about the wax just makes it feel
Fun. Yeah.
better.
I agree. I think the wax is a little bit nicer than like a foil wrap.
Yeah, definitely. Huh.
Deep caramels, vanillas, dark fruit.
Putting a little more in my glass. All I smelled the first time was just like cleaning solution.
Yeah, there is a slight shiny ethanol nose to it.
Yeah. That caught me off guard.
Once you get past that shiny ethanol, you get into those dark caramels, dark fruits, vanillas.
All I'm smelling right now is pine sol.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I get the caramels, brown sugars.
I get a little bit of the caramely sweetness in there. But for the most part, it's just floor cleaner, which is not bad. Like I like the smell of pine sol. But
I don't know if I'd want to be drinking pine sol, but
after a long day,
long day,
come
go
home to a glass of pine sol.
Yeah, that sounds nice. Sounds like your wife doesn't like you very much.
Wash it down with some Febreze.
Right.
Yeah, I'm getting a little bit as it kind of sits and I'm shaking it around. I get a little bit of that.
Yeah, as it opens up.
Yep. Yeah, very. It's almost like a cinnamon raisin bread.
Yeah,
or
yeah, you
like
get some bready notes in there.
Yeah,
Ready to go in?
I am. It doesn't taste like pine sol.
No.
Wow.
You get a like aged oak on the very forefront, but then it goes into like these brown sugars and vanillas.
That is intense.
Yeah. I find that Knob Creek's barrel picks are amazing.
Yeah, that's incredible.
I think I've gone through one before this one.
Okay.
And picked this one up and then picked up a couple others just because they are extremely flavorful, and you're getting I think I ended up picking this one up for like 40-45, and with that type of flavor profile for $40-45.
Yeah, you can't beat that at all. That's great. High proof too.
Right.
It doesn't taste at all like it smells.
No.
Like they are 100% different profiles.
You do get a lot of the caramels and the brown sugars and the dark fruits that you get on the nose, but the nose is almost lacking in intensity that the palate gives.
Yeah.
Like when you're drinking it, it's super rich, like a real maple syrup. How it's thinner than a corn syrup.
Aunt Jemima.
Yeah, but it's got the flavor kind of backing it instead.
Yeah. Yeah, that is incredible. It's just that really, really dark, sweet, caramely
goodness.
Yeah.
Yeah. Really can't complain about any of the Knob Creeks that I've opened.
Not at all. So far, I've loved all of them that I've had.
Yeah,
so
all one.
Yeah. I'd be interested to compare this one to the base 9-year. Just see what, because what do you know the proof of the 9-year? It's fine if you don't, but
I think it's 100 proof.
Okay.
I think it's bottled and bond essentially.
Gotcha. Yeah. Wow.
But yeah, the caramels, almost molasses. It's got deep, rich enough flavors that's bordering molasses.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, definitely molasses, or like just like the dark brown sugar.
Right.
Like I've had, like, if you ever have homemade brown sugar as opposed to like store bought in the bag brown sugar, it's totally different because it's like you can control how much. Richness. I think it's just molasses that goes into brown sugar.
I think so.
You can control how much, and it's like that, where it's like just super dark, sweet,
right,
molassesy goodness.
Going back to the goodness. Right. So with it being such a high proof, you can absolutely add water to it.
Which I think this is my favorite part of being into whiskeys is adding the water and exploring a higher proof whiskey more than is intended to right out of the bottle.
Right.
I like new creations, and anytime you put any amount of water in it, that's really essentially the first time that mixture has ever been created.
Right. So for the most part, for barrel picks, you just go in, you get a selection of a couple barrels to choose from,
mm-hmm.
You pick it, and then that's it.
Yeah.
They just bottle it and give it to you.
Right.
So for the most part, these haven't been proofed down to mm-hmm. what the normal 9-year or anything else would have been proofed down to.
Yeah.
Getting almost like a oaky citrus, kind of going back to pine sol. Now I'm getting the pine sol with the oaky citrus.
As I sipped it, and as soon as you said citrus, very orangey. I don't know if you get the same thing. Because I tasted like almost an orange juice, kind of like a sweet, pulpy orange juice.
I'm getting more of the peel. I did give you more water than me.
Yep.
But yeah, so for me, it's like the orange oils.
Yeah. Like you squeeze an orange and it squirts out that. Yeah.
Yeah. So adding that drop of water brought forward even more oak, a little bit of that orange, and then deep molasses.
Yeah.
It kind of got rid of the sweet brown sugars and just went straight to that rich molasses.
Yeah. Very interesting. And that's exactly why I love doing that. It's like, for me, it's totally different.
Right, you get
with that
something
little
new
bit of water every single time.
Right.
Yeah.
So, what would you score this bottle?
High. I really like it. Extra points for the cool bottle design.
Yeah, the bottles themselves have like waves to it.
Yeah.
It's not just a straight.
Nice and textural.
Right.
Textual.
Yeah, it's just really neat feeling bottle.
I'm gonna give it a 8.25.
Yeah, I was thinking 8
Yeah.
flat for me.
Yeah, it's great.
It is.
It's excellent.
Excellent high proof whiskey that you can kind of play with a little bit,
Yep.
including the top apparently.
I just hope that one day we drink a whiskey that I don't like on this channel.
So that you can really
Well,
give it a poor
because
score.
no, not even that, but just to know that I'm not like just all about the hype, you know? Because
Right.
I've only ever given whiskeys like 7 and above, which is super high. So I'm either we've only ever drank good whiskeys, or
For the most
just
part,
don't know what I'm doing.
I've been bringing out really good stuff.
we should find out. Let us know, as a matter of fact, what you think the worst whiskey is, and if we have the means to do it, we will do a review on the worst whiskey that you think
Right.
is the worst.
Try to get a couple really poor ones
Yeah.
to see if it's as bad as people say.
Yeah,
We do something like that.
we should.
I don't know if I want to own that many bad bottles.
You got to get the little bottles, and
Right.
we could start with the airplane bottle.
Yeah. All right. Well, with that being said, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Yeah, this is great.